now. Let's start now. So, good evening. Shall we start now? So, yesterday we had discussed time response analysis. Basically, the first order system and second order system, okay, and based on a different reference input like step. Yeah, good evening, ma. Good evening, Shanti. Yesterday we discussed like first order system, second order system based on different reference inputs like a step input, a ramp input, and we also find out the steady state error like ESS. ESS equal to limit t tends to infinity E of t or limit s tends to 0 s into E of s. Okay, that equal to limit s tends to 0 s into Rs by 1 plus Gs into Hs. Okay, so by knowing the reference input like step input, ramp input, and combination of different inputs, and we know the loop transfer function like GSHS, we can calculate a steady state error. Okay, then based on zeta value like damping ratio, we have categorized the different systems like underdamped system, undamped system, overdamped system, and critically damped system. If zeta equal to 0, it is undamped system, and zeta equal to 1, it is critically damped system, and between means less than 1, it is underdamped system, and greater than 1, it will be overdamped system. This also we discussed. Then time domain specifications or time response specifications like zeta, omega n, omega d, time constant tau, rise time, delay time, peak time, settling time, and peak overshoot, MP, okay, and time of oscillations and number of oscillations. Okay, for a given example, we have a few problems we have solved, and we have calculated this time domain specifications. And also, lastly, the static error constant. Static error constants like a positional error constant Kp, and velocity error constant Kv, and acceleration error constant Ka. Okay, so what is Kp definition? We have decided yesterday. A limit s tends to 0, Gs into Hs, and Kv velocity error constant limit s tends to 0, s into Gs into Hs. Then Ka auxiliary error constant limit s tends to 0, s square into Gs into Hs. Okay, so for any a loop transfer function is given, we can find out Kp, Kv, Ka values. Okay, and also we have discussed yesterday the type and order of the system, like type number and order number. So based on GSHS like loop transfer function, okay, so that is GSHS equal to K into S plus Z1 plus S plus Z2 and so on divided by S to the power of n, S plus P1, S plus P2 and so on. Okay, where Z1, Z2, Z3 and all zeros, and P1, P2 are all poles, and K is system constant gain, and S power n, where n will decide the type number. What is S actually? So the simple pole at origin. So suppose S square, so it is type 2, that means there are 2 poles at the origin. And S power 0, then it is type 0 system. Then what is the order of the system? What is the order of the system?